6:30 in the morning, and we decided to, you know, the human being is kind of, we rarely accept to lose the things, and when we lose the things, we are super frustrated, and I cannot say I'm super frustrated, but it's kind of pity to lose the camera, especially I know the place where it exactly is. So there is a big chance to find it. Just this time we try to prepare. Selamat pagi Gunung Gagong. It's quite a long distance to that place where I was. It's around 2 kilometers, so we decided to go by motorbike.
You are doing, Martin?
Yeah, I'm just trying to prepare the rope. There's always a lot of chicken in a bush, and I cannot understand, do they belong to someone or they are just wild? See, so many. Nice place to take a midday nap. So yeah, so now you will get another mountain video, just because I lost camera. And then it's dried grass. So everything is prepared to give some food to the animals. Yeah. Ah, okay. Makasih. See you. We almost moved to the wrong way, and the local guy just showed us where to go. I already forgot, like kind of, that way looked easy. I think that's the slope, no? And I will get closer, then I will understand for sure. So see here, even far away from everything, there is a temple. I will not go in because I don't have a sarong, but yeah, and then that view. Right here. When it's like January, February, March, it's all coming down here. And that's the thing that makes it nice. There's this water collectors in the mountains, and there's probably some spring coming out of the ground, and that's where I came down. But now it's always easier for me to go down than up. That's how far we are from the ocean at the moment, and we are living near ocean.
A few moments later.
So I choose the wrong path, and now we have to go down, because now I understood, I remember that I was on that one. Everything looks so similar, so a little bit of exercise before the real hike. We lost a little bit of time, but whatever. Hopefully this one is the right one. I've got the real problem. everything looks so similar, and I'm not sure where I was. So now when I came to another place which I was sure that that's the one, then finally I found that it's not really that one. I think I found it. That's the place where I was yesterday. Look at that. Look at how nature adapts. It's a big rock here, and the tree is just growing on it. And here I am. Laura is down. Laura is down there. Now I'm very close to the point where I lost the camera. Now I have a kind of mission. How to put a rope. The first of all, how to get up to put a rope. Another thing is how to put a rope the way I can get it back. It's too good rope. I don't want to leave it here. Okay, instructors. This is a time to learn the knots. So far there is no camera here. I have to go up, more up. So maybe it just fell down somewhere up. But now it's a challenge how to get over this place, because there's a cliff. It's really steep and it's really sandy. There is no any rocks I can put my feet on. I decided to make the steps so I can put my feet on, and that will be more safe. Okay, I managed to get up. If you can see, there is a rope down there, so I managed to get up without any ropes. The rope was needed only for the beginning. I thought the camera will be somewhere in this area, but it's not. Or maybe I don't see it. Okay, I will go a little bit up. We'll check it there. We'll see. We'll try to do my best. So far I didn't find it. And it's like a clear area. We can definitely see it if it's here. And that's how high I am at the moment. I will go to the point where I saw it on the last footage I took. So there was a moment when I was filming with one camera and another one was in my hand to go up or go down, and I said I'm going down. You can choose up or down. I'm going down. Sorry. Okay, so we're going the same trail. Maybe it just fell down somewhere here. But if it fell down there, then I will never find it. Okay, that's it. I did my best. You are the witnesses that I really tried my best to do it. Goodbye, my Canon G16. Enjoyed the mountains, and yeah, what else to say? At least I got a good exercise and a good story for you. Yeah. That's it. We say goodbye to camera, and that means we will need a new one, but at the moment we cannot buy anything, just because there's no job, no tourists. So we will wait for the moment when we will be able to work again and earn some money to buy a new camera. If you like the video, don't forget again again and again. I'm telling you this again. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on YouTube and Instagram, and see you in the next video.